it's Jordan back again with another clay making tutorial video. Okay, so today we are using Model Magic again, and since Valentine's Day is coming up, I am going to be showing you how to make a heart person. So let's get on with it. So, see, I'm molding, apparently, the red clay, and I'm just gonna rip a chunk off of it so I can get some more, because that wasn't enough, I thought. So yeah, now I'm just rolling it into a ball. See? And now I'm just going to flatten it. So yeah, because this is what the heart is going to be made out of. Pretty sure you knew that, but yeah. So that is the red heart so far, and now I'm just using a clay tool to cut it. Yep, as in a heart. Cut it into a heart. So I'm just going to stab it every single second. Like, so yeah. So you can see I'm kind of struggling a little. It would be easier if you had like cookie cutters, like a heart cookie cutters. So yeah. Now I am doing the other side of the heart. So, yep. And as you can see, this is going to be a little heart as it compared to my hands. So, yep. I am just cutting it still, and sorry that it's such a long process. And yep, now you just take it out, and just take it out carefully, because you don't want to like rip the whole thing apart like as I just almost did. So yeah, if you like almost just rip the whole thing apart, yeah, you may want to cut that part a little more. So yeah, that's what you do. And now you may want to like smoothen the sides like that. So yeah. And why do I keep making heart impressions? What? So yeah, that is the heart. And now we're just getting some neon pink Model Magic Clay and ripping a piece of it off, rolling it into a ball, and that's the ball of it. And now you're just going to what is it called? Do that. I cannot find the right word for it right now. So yeah, you may want to make it not as bumpy as mine was. So yeah, just going to wrap it around like that, and yep, that's the heart so far. So, yep. And now we're just gonna get some white clay and make a little ball. You may know what's happening right now. I'll give you 3 seconds to guess. 1, 2, 3. Okay, if you guessed eyes, you are correct. If you guessed buttons, you are wrong. Okay, so yeah. And yeah, that was the bottom. Back of it, I mean. So yeah. I'm making little pupils now. So, yep. And you probably want to make them center because mine aren't that center. If you want them to be goofy like Derpy from My Little Pony, you can do that if you want it to be like, hey, I'm crazy. Yeah. Now I'm just making a mouth now. So yeah, just you get just a little roll, just get a little bit of black, and then you roll into a ball. Then you just make it kind of like a stick, and then you make it into a smile like that. So yeah, now we're using more black Model Magic Clay, and we're just going to get that, roll into balls. So, yep. We're just gonna roll it like that, and just gonna stick it there because it's the legs. Yeah. Why did I just do that? Yeah. So those are the legs so far, and the next thing you do is get some more black, because the next thing we're gonna make is dun 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 arms. So yes, we're gonna make arms next, and that's how it looks. It looks insane. I don't know if you like this. I hope you do. I really hope you do like the clay art that I make. I don't know, but I just think this one was just so yeah, that's the other arm. And now we are going to be making the feet. So yeah, just gonna wanna get some clay, a white clay or whatever color you would like, and roll it into a ball. Yep, and then you make a little thingy like that, like a little bump thing, and stick it on there. Yep, stick it on. So yeah, I really like Model Magic Clay. I find it really easy to use. I just gotta say, it does take like a while to dry. It does say 3 days, but I think it takes longer though. So yeah, I give it 5 stars though. Yeah. Now, I'm having trouble letting it sit. But how do I make that better? I get some red clay. You know what I do with that red clay? I make a circle with it. I make a ball with it. And then I flatten it like that. And now, if you guessed put it on the foot, you are wrong. But if you guessed put it on the back of the heart, you are correct. And now my puppy Jewel is accompanying us. Anything that you would like to say, Jewel? No? Okay. Have a good day.